Hey guys, so again, Medusa Makeup has sent me their newest box, which is really nice of them. So this is the June box and it's the festival edition, so you can actually buy this one now on their website just in case you really love this box. I've also got the prices for once, which is pretty rare for me. So to America this is $16.95. To Canada it's $22.95 and internationally it's $26.95. That's in dollars, so for England that works out maybe like £20 or something. It's pretty cheap, to be honest. And I've actually not fully opened this and seen what's inside yet, so I know some of you like it when I don't look what's inside properly first. So let's have a see what is in here. So when you open it up, this is what I'm seeing straight away. So we've got this little thing that says save the date, VIP birthday box coming in August, 4 full-size products exclusive to subscribers and lots of extra goodies, so that's pretty cute. Then we've got this which says 10% off Lovebird Beauty. Don't really know what that is, but in case anyone wants that, then there you go. And then we have our little thing that tells you what's in the box. So I'm not going to look at it properly yet. It says it's festival season. We encourage you to step out of your comfort zone and try something extra bold. It's cruelty free. Like I said, it's the June box, and apparently the stuff in here is supposed to be worth $45.95. So definitely a lot more than you pay for it. So the first thing right on the top is this, which is like a little drinks holder, koozie thing, I don't know what you call them, but it says slay all day. So basically you put your can in there and it's supposed to like keep it cold and obviously not get like condensation on your hand and stuff, and just supposed to make it look cute. So that's the first little thing that we have in here. Then next we have a lipstick which looks like this. I have never had a lipstick from them before. This packaging is really pretty. It's in the colour Lydia, and this is what it looks like. So it's like a square tube with Lydia on the bottom, and it's a very bright purple, like a neon kind of purple colour. Let's do a little swatch on my hand. So on the swatch it is a little darker, I feel. Well, on camera it's really bright for some reason. In person it's definitely not that bright. It's more of like a lilac-y, lavender kind of colour, but that's pretty cool. I'll definitely give it a try sometime, maybe not with this eye colour though. But very creamy though and very pigmented, so that's really nice. Then next we have a little pot here, and this is glitter in the colour Jupiter. So it's got like this screw bit at the bottom, so I'm assuming you can screw them all together, which is really cute. I like that. It doesn't look the sparkliest, but obviously can't see it very well. Let's see if I can even open this. Okay, that literally took me like minutes to get that little sticker off there, but I needed to show you the colour. So let's like pat a little bit out. I wouldn't really say that this is a glitter. I'd say this is more like a shimmery pigment, really. Looks like this. It is very, very sparkly, but it's not thick like glitter. It is more of like an eyeshadow pigment, really. So that is this. Like I said, it's called Jupiter, that one, in case anyone is wondering. Then next we have a lip gloss. Now, I absolutely love their lip glosses, so hopefully this one is just as amazing as the last one. It's called Disco Queen Extreme Sparkle Lip Gloss, and it's in the colour Roller Girl. So this one's quite colourful as far as I can see. It's like don't know really, I don't know what colour you'd even call that. It's kind of pinky, reddy, coral coloured with like purple and pink sparkles. It's a very weird colour. It's a very weird colour on a swatch as well. Like an amazing colour, but just very unusual. Trying to get it to be quite thick. These smell incredible, just by the way, in case you've never smelled one before. They smell like vanilla cake or something. Amazing. So this is the swatch of that up there. Very pink and sparkly. I might put it over this lipstick actually. Let's do that and see what it looks like. And try and not get lipstick on the little applicator thing. Very sparkly. So excuse my spotty face, but that is what that looks like. And then we have one item left, which is some lashes in a very cute little package. They have a little glue in there. Not necessarily a style of lash that I would usually wear because they are very subtle, like a very daytime, daily kind of lash. I like, you know, big crazy lashes, but it is cute that they added some in there for people that want to try them out. So yeah, that was everything that was in Medusa Makeup's Festival June box. I will do a quick overview just because I know people like to see everything together at the end. We got the little koozie for putting your drinks in, the lipstick, the eyelashes, the lip gloss, and the little pigment glitter. So everything here, like I said, for $16.95 in America, super cheap. If I was in America, I would get this box every time because that's crazy cheap, and I think that includes postage as well. But yeah, I will put the information for them down below anyway in case anyone wants to go check them out. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.